Huh! Yeah! Ta! Yeah! Hey! Ha! Yeah! Huh! Ha! Ha! Yeah! Oh! Oh! No! Ah! Darn! Ah! Ah! Whoa! Ah! Let's do this! Huh? Ah! Ouch! Ow! Oh, this one's tough! Not bad! Chip! Easy, buddy! Sit tight! You okay? Ah! Ah! No way! It's over! That thing sure got ugly! Thanks a lot, Wall! I don't leave my friends in the lurch! I'd never leave you in a pinch! Chip! Ah! 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 Now that looks nasty! Eggman, you're totally cracked! Okay, let's go! This one's tough! What's a guy gotta eat to get that big? Strike 3, monster! That's enough out of you! Looks like I can't get at it while it's covered in fire! Looks like he runs out of breath eventually. That's my chance! Sorry, I'm in a rush here! Maybe if I take out those eel guys down below first! He's kinda hard to get a fix on. Wonder if I can get him to stop! I know little girls who are better with a hammer than you! Well, one anyway. I keep beating them down and they get right back up! There's gotta be a better way! Letting him take that box thing away makes things tough! Looks like I can push this box thing! I keep beating them down and they get right back up! There's gotta be a better way! Letting him take that box thing away makes things tough! Looks like I can push this box thing! Game over, Eggman! Looks like I win! That lit up part on the bottom looks fishy! I'll try aiming for that! Jeez, Eggman! Simmer down!